Hi there, it's Phil from Scholarcy. Last time we looked at how we could export the data that Scholarcy automatically extracts into our reference manager so that we could automate some of the steps of our literature review, specifically generating a referenced summary in any citation style. So in this video, we're going to look at exporting the data to a different format, this time into Microsoft Excel, so that we can compare articles side by side. I have a collection of articles here, and once again I click on the Move button, I go to Export, I select the articles I want to export. In this case I'm going to select all the ones in this folder, but I could select individual ones here. I've got the file format set to Excel, and I click the Export button. And this takes a few seconds to distill the information into an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to open the spreadsheet in Excel. Unfortunately, I'm using an old computer here, so this is a little bit slow, so bear with me while this opens. So what this will have is all the summary information that Scholarcy extracted as separate fields. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here so we can see this more clearly. So for each study, we've got the information side by side here with one study per row, with information such as the participants, the study findings, ethical compliance, and various other bits of information that Scholarcy includes in the summary flashcard. So what we can do is, as we have this information in separate columns, one field for each study, we can easily filter this information. So I can go into Data in Excel and click Filter, and I might want to do things like only show studies where the authors have discussed the study limitations. This can be quite important because a good quality study should acknowledge its own limitations, and if it doesn't, well, maybe that's kind of a mark against the study in some way, perhaps. So I'm going to select the limitations column here, and I'm going to filter the ones that don't have any discussion about limitations. So I'll just remove the blanks basically here and click that. So now the only ones that are displaying in my spreadsheet are studies that talked about study limitations, and then we can go in and read that information here. And as we've got this information side by side, we can do some sort of analysis in it, maybe plot this information in some way. But this was just really quickly to show you how you can easily export the data from Scholarcy into various formats, in this case Microsoft Excel. Thanks very much. Speak to you soon.